Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best yoga blocks available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the MBKHLL Yoga Block. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $7.97. Made from durable EVA foam, this yoga block offers lightweight portability while still being sturdy enough for daily practice. The block features beveled edges and a non-slip surface, making it easy to grip during poses and stretches. In terms of design, the MBKHLL block measures 9 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches, which is slightly smaller than some of the other blocks on this list. It's ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a simple and affordable tool to enhance their yoga practice. It's also easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth after use. While this block does its job for basic poses, it may not provide the same level of density and support that premium blocks offer. The foam construction feels softer, which might not be ideal for advanced practitioners who require more firmness for balance-intensive poses. Overall, this block is perfect for those on a tight budget or just starting out, but may fall short in durability for long-term heavy use. Next, at number 4, we have the Septto Yoga Blocks. These blocks come in a set of 2 for just $9.99, making them a great value for those who want dual support during their practice. Like the MBKHLL block, these are made from EVA foam and feature a water-resistant closed-cell structure, ensuring they don't absorb moisture during sweaty sessions. What sets the Septto blocks apart is their lightweight design, which makes them easy to carry to yoga classes or outdoor sessions. They measure 9 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches, a standard size that works well for most yoga poses. The surface is smooth and non-porous, which repels dirt and dust for easy maintenance. While these blocks offer decent stability, their foam construction might not feel sturdy enough for advanced practitioners or heavier individuals. These blocks are ideal for beginners or intermediate practitioners looking for an affordable way to deepen their stretches and improve alignment. However, they lack the density and grip of cork blocks, which might be a drawback for those focusing on balance-heavy poses. Overall, if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-clean, and budget-friendly option, the Septto Yoga Blocks are worth considering. Coming in at number 3, we have the Tridier Yoga Blocks. Priced at $13.99 for a set of 2, these blocks strike a balance between affordability and performance. Crafted from high-quality EVA foam, they offer a soft, non-slip surface that provides both comfort and stability during various poses. The blocks are lightweight yet durable enough to maintain their shape over time, even with regular use. These blocks measure 9 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches, making them slightly thinner than standard yoga blocks, which can be ideal for users who prefer a lower profile. Another standout feature is their eco-friendly construction, as they're made from odorless and sustainable materials. Cleaning is also a breeze. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth. While the Tridier blocks are great for beginners and intermediate yogis, advanced practitioners might find them lacking in density compared to cork options. They excel in portability and versatility, making them perfect for home workouts or studio sessions. Overall, these blocks are a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable mid-range product that's comfortable and eco-conscious. At number 2, we have the Genan Yoga Block. This block is a bestseller in its category and has earned an impressive 4.8-star rating across over 51,000 reviews. Made from durable EVA foam, the Genan block is 50% denser than standard foam blocks, providing exceptional support and stability for deeper stretches and balance-intensive poses. The block measures 9 inches by 6 inches by 4 inches, which is slightly larger than some of the other foam blocks on this list. This additional thickness makes it ideal for users who need extra support for challenging postures. The beveled edges and non-slip surface ensure a secure grip, enhancing your overall practice experience. Plus, it's easy to clean with a damp cloth, so maintenance is hassle-free. While the price wasn't listed, this block is known for its premium quality and durability, making it a go-to choice for seasoned yogis and beginners alike. The only downside is that it's sold individually rather than as a pair, which might be a limitation for those who prefer dual block support. Overall, if you're looking for a foam block with above-average density and reliability, the Gayam Yoga Block is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Volcano Cork Yoga Block 2-pack set. Priced at $25.99, these blocks are the premium option on our list, and for good reason. Made from 100% natural cork sourced from Portugal, they offer superior density and durability compared to foam blocks. The cork material provides a firm yet comfortable grip, ensuring stability during advanced poses and challenging stretches. Each block measures 9 inches by 6 inches by 4 inches, which is a standard size, but with a high-density feel that makes them perfect for balance-focused postures. The non-slip surface is odor-resistant and moisture-proof, ensuring comfort even during hot yoga sessions. Plus, these blocks are eco-friendly and easy to clean. Simply wipe them down or wash them with soap and water. While the Volcano Cork blocks are more expensive, their durability and performance make them a worthwhile investment for serious practitioners. They're ideal for advanced yogis who need maximum support and stability, but are equally effective for beginners looking for a long-lasting, high-quality product. If you're ready to upgrade your yoga accessories, this cork set is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.